Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me on this cold, almost winter day in Allen, Washington. We're at Lakeland Village. We're on the ranch course. Today I'm just practicing. My goal is to do a breaking 80 video. Normally I'm only doing 9 today, and I shoot around 45 to 50. So let's see how we can do. All right, ladies and gentlemen. One of my problems is I tend to forget to aim. Right on the top of the hill, top right. Come on, that's a way to start it right there. So it was 407 from the drive. We're at 170, about 235 yard drive. Let's see. I'm not good enough. Hit it for the pin. I want to play it safe here. I'm working on my confidence with my lob wedges. Try just a pitching wedge with just a nice decent swing. I'm going to avoid that bunker. Okay. Pretty good, could have been a better hit. This is shot number 3. We were just at 170. We're 72 to the pin. It's really wet, really wet. Pulling out my gap insurance club, 52. Just want to get it up on the left side of that hill. A lot of room to play on the left. Chunked it. I was never here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you can see why having confidence when you swing is important. 235 yard drive off the start. And I'm barely getting there because lack of confidentiality. It's my sidekick this thing. You can get it up there. Boom shakalaka. Could have used a little bit more oomph, but that's okay. We're there. Pretty straight, go right to left. Go New York to California. In for the right side of the cup. Right there. Let's go. Wow, it's wet out here. 497. A little hook left. Aim right down that left side. Oh, it's coming down on me. Coming down on me. On the right side, we'll see if it's playable. All right, so got a 237 yard drive here. A little bit of the little roughage, not too bad, not too bad. A little off the table. I just want to get it back in play. Just gonna get it with a 7. Get it straight down the pipe. Got a nice opening, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Easy grip. Well, I wish it was a little bit more to the right. I mean, to the left. I wish it was a little bit to the left, but that's okay. We're 153. I definitely don't want these streets to wear. Little bit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's 56 to the pin, which means 56, right? I don't know if that's true. I actually don't think it is, but I'm just going to try to get it. I got plenty of room to play in front of it. I'm going to try to get to the land right front. I always tend to hit it a little soft anyway. The ground's a bit squishy. It's on the green. Could have hit it a little bit stronger. And we're moving. Almost got that. I used to be a over 90 golfer until I got Primo pants. Game changing. Little baby fade. Should be right on that right side. Let's see. There she blows, right there. It's gonna be a mean one. Gotta get her back on the field. No line of sight. No line of sight for the for my swing game. Ladies and gentlemen, when in doubt, 7 it out. Try to do a fade on purpose, which I don't know if I know how to do. Just want to get it back and play right over there. Hit it to here. This was a 219-yard drive. She's rolling. She's on the move. Normally I wouldn't use a 9. We got plenty of room on the right. Oh, looks like we're close. All right, we got 32. Not too deep, not too deep. Slight New York, California. It's a little too much every time. On the top of that hill. 208-yard drive. Really wish, like, these are the times I really wish I get a hold of it on the drive. But I get scared. Stay away from that the danger zone on the left. Money. Right where we want it. Come on. I'm gonna bomb diggities. Check it out. Maybe we'll see if we can get a little #1 runner coming from little Cali to New York. Get it up that left side. Just a little bit. It's pretty wet. Come on, baby. It's slow out here in Washington. Look at this. Look at these puddles. If you can golf in Washington, you can golf anywhere. You could see the water spraying up as it was going. Disrespectful. Shot number 4. All right, straight on that right side. 429 to 224. A little deep, a little deep. Just want to get it done. Oh, fell on the wrong side, but that's okay. 87 yards. See if we can get it up and over. Up and over with a pitching wedge. See if we can grow some cojones for this shot. Dry off. Shot number 3. Just want to get it. So we 2-putter in. Safe ground is on the right side. Stop. We're on the green. From New York to California, a little righty lefty. It's going to go up a hill and down a little hill. Just a tad. This is shot 4. I'm hitting a little soft today, so let's try the 9. We got 144 to the pin. Up. We got 40 to the pin in deep mud. The water. Let's go, somebody. Let's park. Another bar mitzvah. I can see that I'm on the 7th. I'm starting to do something again that is causing me to, I have a little fade, but it either goes perfectly straight or a little fade, but now it's doing a hard fade again. I mean, it's not hard fade, it's just a pretty big fade. About 10 yards or so, which is more, I gotta figure it out. You can see I got a little favor here. You can see I got a little favor on this one. Came right back to the center. We like that. Almost a little short. We probably could have done a 6. So we're at 162. We could have done a 6. Try the Tiger Woods. 49. Right on that right side so it comes down and rolls. Right by the pin, baby. Let's go. Getting better. Got a stinger in there. First of all, look. Don't want to miss this. We got a strong wind. Where's the ball? Oh, there's the ball right there. Strong wind. I'm gonna pace it out. Grab a club. Alright, so I got the rule of 12. So I'm going to let it fly 5, let it roll 15. So it's about 3. So 12, 11, 10, 9. So I got the 9 iron. Pretty straight shot. Let's go. It's a good hole. Well, let's go see. money. All right, hey, I'm not there yet. Shot a 42. I am getting better, so it's all right. But thank you guys for watching, and thanks Sidekick. Go ahead and check out his YouTube channel. That's the guy I've been watching to get all the tips that I've been getting and the stuff that I'm trying to implement out here. So go out there and check him out. Be blessed.